Welcome guys, welcome back to the chart of account. I already explained about balance sheet and income statement. Now I am going to explain about the balance sheet. The balance sheet meant what? The balance sheet like the accounts, the main thing is business is tracking. Okay, you have to keep bookkeeping and tracking, that is the accounts, correct? These accounts are used to track that business owns. Assets include cash, furniture, buildings, vehicles. I am not going to explain about which one is the current asset, which one is the fixed asset. But I am commonly telling like cash is assets, furniture is assets, building is asset, like land is asset, machinery, plant and machinery, equipment, vehicles, whatever this we are purchasing from the company use, or whatever we are purchasing for like asset things, that is called the assets. Okay, what is the liability also, like we have to pay to the third party, we have to pay to the supplier, we have to make the payment to the outstanding payment. So that liability means the money is going for the out. The asset, even though if money is going to the out, but something will come inside. Alright, liability also the same thing, but liability we are purchasing material from the supplier. That is not a asset, a fixed asset, a current asset, correct? Because that we are going to produce and we are going to sell. But for example, furniture, it is in the company use. We are put it in the company. The people are sitting, people are using for the table, people are sitting the chair. Okay, that is for the furniture. In case it is a furniture company, they are manufacturing the furniture, it's not come the furniture account. Furniture is the fixed asset. Even though that office purpose they are purchasing, that is fixed asset. But is the furniture company, they are making the like a furniture and they are selling the furniture. So whatever we are purchasing from the suppliers for the materials and we are making the like a furniture, so that is also liability only. So whatever the company use, the company purpose we are using for the like assets, buildings, vehicles, cash, the furnitures, whatever, it is called assets. Liability we have to pay. We have to pay to the third party. We have to pay to the outstanding. We have to pay to the bank. We have to complete the loan. We have to pay to the interest. That is liability. What is the equity? The equity is the owner investing the money to the company. You understand? The owner or shareholder, they are investing. They are investing to the company. That is equity. Okay. You can see this example of one. Asset always equal to the liability and equity. For example, if I am planning to purchase one car, so I have equity only for the half amount. I need half amount. So what I am going to do? I am going for the loan. So whatever this car asset, correct? Asset this car, how it is coming? I have some amount, then I am going to take loan from the bank also. So asset equal to liability plus equity. That means you can see this car, this is asset, but this asset half amount or whatever amount it is from my side, the balance amount it is coming from the loan. Okay, if you are going to start any shop, you have to spend 20,000 for that shop. You are going to open one shop, you are going to spend 20,000. Like whatever we are going to take from the loan, and you have whatever amount you have, you are going to spend, that is the assets, correct? The asset always equal, otherwise this balance sheet is not going to tally. The balance sheet should tally asset equal to liability plus equity. Okay, the assets and liability always equal to the, liability plus equity always equal to the assets. Okay guys, this is the balance sheet. I will explain about next video what is the income statement.